welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing today? So as you can see in the description, today we're putting downpipes in the AMG. So I'm pretty excited about this right now. Yes, a lot of people are probably going to talk crap. I'm not tuned yet. So I'm just putting them on, kind of get the sound, and really just excited to see what a full straight piped, you know, no resonators, no cats, no mufflers, nothing, you know, CLS63 AMG is gonna sound like. I cannot wait for the little turbo noises. It's gonna be amazing, you know. So really looking forward to it right now. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install them, at least the downpipes that I have. They're pretty expensive. I believe the name brand is a Kilman, and the cool thing is that some people would not like them, and then some people would. The thing is that most downpipes you buy now remove the bridge pipe, and basically it's even less restrictive, you know. But it's a hell of a job. You gotta lift the motor, pull the motor mounts to remove this little pipe, you know, and that way you can bolt straight to the turbo for the downpipe. So it's like a two-piece thing. These just bolt straight up to the bridge pipe. So these are really easy. They're just plug and play, basically just a cat delete, you know. So it'll still pick up some good power, definitely do some good sounds, you know. So I'm pretty freaking stoked about it, and so I'll do a step-by-step with you guys on how to install it, or you know, if you guys have an AMG, or maybe even, I think maybe even the CLS 550s, you know, like if you have any of the M157s, you know, it's pretty simple. But yeah, today's a beautiful day. I'm trying to get in this before it reaches 100 degrees. So yeah, so I'm heading over to the Pop's house now, to the you know, workshop. So but yeah, so stay tuned, you guys, and let's get this shit going. Yo! You already know we got it in AMG mode, so let's just, you know. Oh, that's great. Let's get it. Oh, gotta be careful. They're never too careful now. These AMGs are no joke with getting out. We've learned that now. All right, and we're at Dad's house. Shoo! It's already getting warm. Just pulled the ISF out, and here they are. There's the downpipes going in. Pretty huge. So yeah, this is gonna make this baby roar. So yeah, we got the car in here, just trying to let it cool off before I start lifting it up and start working on it, because I had to drive it here, so it's kind of hot. But yeah, I got the fan going over there in the front. Well, we're gonna get this right now, boys. Let's do it. Get this in the air. All right, so just getting under here right now, so you can see what we're gonna start doing. We have to remove this brace, so it's some Torx, and then loosen those V-bands, and then if we come this way, up here you can see we got two O2 sensors. You gotta get that light up there. We got two O2 sensors that gotta come out. You can see them better on this side. There's one. The other one's up a little above. And then it's just gonna be the two bolts that hold it in. It's pretty simple. It's gonna be pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna get some PV blaster, spray it on the O2 sensors, and spray it on the bolts, and spray it on the bolts over here. So, oh, spun upside down. And so basically that way everything will have a chance to soak in and make it a little easier. We don't want to break any of these exhaust bolts. They're definitely going to be really tight on there. So yeah, we'll start with that, getting them PV blasted, and then I'll start getting this brace out of the way, and then we'll start just loosening everything, and then like lightly loosen, and then I'm going to attack those O2 sensors on both sides. So okay, so far I was able to get the upper bolts off right here on the downpipe. And then these two O2 sensors are out now. So there you go. Two O2 sensors are out. This one's right here. So, and then right now we are currently working on these. So they were 13 mils. These bolts the downpipes on 13s, and then 22 on these O2 sensors. This one just busted it loose, and this one in here is loose. Hard to see in here, the angle of this camera. Right there, that one's already loose. So now we're just trying to get those out. We did have to take the little splash guard off. And then we're going to be taking these 10 mils off after that. And then we'll go down and get the V-bands out. But as you can see right now, they're just, they're loose. So, I mean, they're ready to come out. This is a very, very easy job. So, let me see. It's hard to see with no light. There we go. So, yeah. So, right now, we're just working on getting these bolts out. So, once these bolts are out, or these O2s are out, then I'll come back when we're dropping them out. Man, look at this sexy ass car that just pulled up. Woo! Man. Oh my goodness, these wheels go crazy. Oh wow, I'm just out of words looking at this. Look at that. Woo, on the ground. This thing is sexy. Wow. Woo. Okay, so now we just gotta loosen these V-bands. They're E12 Torx. Oh, my girl just showed up too. Woo. So yeah, once I get this out right here, then we just loosen the other 10. I'm gonna try to do this without removing this actual bracket. We'll see. Let's see if we get lucky. Alright, so here's the downpipes. They were so easy to get out. Like I said, literally, now that they're out, you can see it's just the 13, the two 13s right here, the 22 on the two O2 sensors, 10 mil, and then back here there's an inverted Torx 13 for the V-band, oh, and that 113 on that. That's it. So easy. Well, let's see if this thing will start. I want to see if I get a start up with the open downpipe. Be loud as fuck. Let's see. All right, let's see. What? All right, so here's our comparison from the stock versus the aftermarket, and I gotta say the aftermarket looks dead on like the OEM, which is pretty good. So obviously we're just here to eliminate the cat. You know, it's a lot of restriction. So, but yeah, I mean this brand is pretty nice. The welds on it look good. Everything is the same. All the bends are good. So should be very simple to throw right back in. And man, this thing's gonna be a beast. So here's the picture of them new, brand new. That's them. So obviously I got them for the plug. Didn't pay that. Alright, so we got this one in so far. We got the bolts going on. We're gonna put the O2s on right now. Trying to get where you can see. There we go. So it's up there, bolts are in, O2s are going in right now. This piece is on, and down at the V-band is already installed and on. So yeah, super easy, bolts right in. There was no issues. So yeah, like I said, we're going to be putting the O2s back in right now, which should be pretty straightforward, and then throw the other side in and we're done. Okay, so now the downpipes are in, O2s are in. Wish the light was better. But on both sides you can see that the O2s are both in, bolted down. Brackets are all taken care of. They're on. Down here the V-bands are done. So other than us just needing to put this tray back on real quick, I'll be dropping it down and doing a start clip. See how it sounds. And just like that, it's back on the ground. But look, it looks slammed right now because the e-brake's still up. So I want to hear what it sounds like now though. Let's see. We can get a sound clip right here. sounds good. All right, so we ended up coming to this little mini meet right here. We got Mike and Mark killing them with the bagged Accords. Shoo! Saucy. So do you like red and white, or do you like white and red? I mean, shoo! Both your cars look better than mine. That's not fair. Okay, and that's gonna do it. The car sounds amazing. The turbo noise is insane, like a straight bus driving down the road. It's amazing. Out of words, always out of words with it. I love this AMG. Those downpipes, Kilman downpipes, they were so easy to put on. It was like, you get what you pay for, I guess, right? So yeah, so the tune is gonna be here in the next day or so, so be staying tuned for that video. I went with Race IQ. My buddy Anthony over there, he was the one who tuned my first CLS63 AMG. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. I think I got the pops and bangs with it, stage 2. So we're gonna put some numbers down, and definitely I'm gonna be getting a lot better sound clips. I know that it was really short with what we got, but I got some new attachments for the GoPro, so I'm gonna be getting some more driving sound clips for you guys. And then also I picked up another bike. Yes, it's not the S1000. I know, beautiful bike. Had to let that one go. But I picked up a cheap little fun bike to go have some fun. It's a CBR 600, you know, 2015, and looks to have some fun with it. I'm going to be doing new fairings on it. You know, I got to get the brakes done on it, and just ride it. Maybe we start learning how to wheelie on the channel. Who knows? I don't know. Just stay tuned though. We'll see what happens with that. Also, we have some actual updates as well with B and the F10. She has been hanging out and been a part of a local girls car club, and she's officially badged in. So we're going to be going to a few meets following up with that, and seeing what her car club's about, you know, getting a couple videos with them and with her and her car, a couple things like that. We have I was gonna say, we have some more mods that might be coming to her vehicle as well, but I do know she's in the market for something new. So you guys, if you think you guys can guess what that's gonna be, you know, put it in the comments. I want to see who can guess it. But yeah, as for now, that's everything that's going on. You know, I appreciate you guys staying, you know, around and watching my vlogs. You know, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. So let's go. You.